Hi friends, my name is Kostapal. Today we are talking about noise pollution. Noise pollution is in the presence of the excessive of harmful level of the noise in the environment. It can be causes for various sources including traffic, industrial activities, constructions, and loud music, prolonged mm, high level noise can be have several adverse effects on the harmful health and well-being effective on the health. First one is hearing loss. The consciousness of excessive to the load of noise can lead to the permanent hearing permanent implanting. Second one is sleep disturbance. Noise pollution can dispute sleep patterns, leading to the to reduce overall health. Third one, cardiovascular issues. Chronic exposure to the noise has been linked to increased risk of hypertension and heart diseases. Fourth one, mental health. Mental health. Constant noise can be causes anxiety, and negativity impact of mental health. Negativity of mental health. Fifth one, uh, environmental impact. The wildlife disturbance. Animals are ready on the and sound for the holding the noise pollution can be infected with these activities affecting their behavior and the severe diseases. Second one is ecosystem balances distribution of the worldwide wildlife can lead to the changes in the pre-relationship of the overall volume and the ecosystem health. Mitogen. uh, First one is regulation of if incogonic impacting the noise control regulation and uh, and limits of the noise level can helps reduces the pollution. Second one is urban planning, designing the cities with the noise reducing in the mind, such as planning of noise activities away from the residential areas. Third one is technology using the machineries and uh, noise reducing the materials in the contraction. uh, Fourth one is public assurance, the educating public about the impact of noise pollution and ensuring the quick particles, ensuring the quick particles. Fifth one is addressing the noise pollution is circular for the improving the quality of life, protecting health and maintaining the environment, maintaining the environmental balances maintaining the environmental balances. Thank you so much.